On the 8th of September 2023, a massive 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck central Morocco. Whole villages were flattened, and nearly 3,000 people lost their lives. Traumatized families fled their homes, afraid to seek shelter in case more buildings collapsed, and remote communities faced an agonizing wait for help. Within hours of the disaster, Islamic Relief had launched a $20 million appeal to support survivors. Within days, our local partners distributed hygiene kits to combat disease. And within weeks, we had given thousands of mattresses, blankets, and warm clothing to people in need. We brought medical professionals to remote communities and launched a program to rebuild more than 300 homes. But the road to recovery is long and challenging. A year on, 500,000 people are still living in makeshift tents. With your donations, we can continue to deliver valuable humanitarian aid in countries like Morocco when disaster strikes. Donate to Islamic Relief today.